Hello, welcome to Guide Glimpse.
How to manage your image in Avast Secure Browser. For today's video, I'm going to teach you how to manage your image in Avast Secure Browser. So this is very useful when visiting a site like Lazada, Shopee, or maybe Amazon, and you can manage their image. So the first thing you want to do is open up your Avast Secure Browser. Once you're here, click on the top right corner on the three dots. After clicking on the three dots, hover your mouse down below to Settings. Then click on Settings. After clicking on Settings, you'll be now located to your settings. Then just scroll down until you reach Privacy and Security. Once you're here, click on Site Settings. After clicking on Site Settings, just go down to Content. Once you're here at Content, click Images. After clicking Images, as you can see right now, there is default behavior. Once you're here, you can now manage your images. So site chooses show images to provide illustrations like photos for online stores or news articles. So you can either don't allow sites to show image or allow the sites to show image. Because this is very helpful if you don't want to see the image of the site. And you can, here's a little tip for you guys, you can also customize the behavior of the images. For example, right here, you can choose this one to add sites that you don't want to see their image, and you can add sites when this is turned off, and you can add sites to allow to show images. So there you go, guys. I hope you guys liked the video and hope you guys enjoyed. Thank you.
If you like the video, please consider giving us a thumbs up and subscribing for more content like this. Thank you.